Number 1, an area that has been logged will have greater erosion problems if the 1. Area is planted with fruit trees. 2. Area is planted with grass. 3. Area is planted with exotic tree. 4. Area is cultivated for cash crops. 5. Tree stumps are allowed to remain. The answer is 4. Area is cultivated for cash crops. Number 2, a rainforest is a 1. Forest in the tropics. 2. Forest in the uplands. 3. Forest on the mountain slopes. 4. Forest where precipitation often occurs. 5. Wooded area which has diverse species. The answer is 1. Forest in the tropics. Number 3, fishery resources in marine and coastal waters may be considered as open access resources because of the 1. Mobile nature of fish and water. 2. Difficulty in marking sea boundaries. 3. Proliferation of fish pens. 4. Overfishing in municipal waters. 5. Increasing demand for fish, which is rich in protein. The answer is 2. Difficulty in marking sea boundaries. Number 4, the lasting environmental impact of a large-scale mining operation comes from 1. Air pollution. 2. Noise pollution. 3. Deforestation. 4. Mine railings. 5. Unrestored mined-out areas. The answer is 4. Mine railings. Number 5, chlorofluorocarbons are popular as propellants and insulting agents because they are 1. Reactive. 2. Stable. 3. Biodegradable. 4. Soluble. 5. Cheap. The answer is 1. Reactive. Number 6, throwing paper into the river is objectionable because 1. Paper will add to the biological oxygen demand. 2. Paper is non-biodegradable. 3. Paper is eaten by fish. 4. Paper is toxic. 5. It is unpleasant to see floating papers in the river. The answer is 5. It is unpleasant to see floating papers in the river. Number 7, which of the following is the major cause of coral reef destruction? 1. Dynamite fishing. 2. Muruami. 3. Oil spill. 4. Sewage pollution. 5. Siltation. The answer is 1. Dynamite fishing. Number 8, which of the following statements best describe the relationship between global warming and ozone depletion? 1. Global warming contributes to ozone depletion. 2. Global warming and ozone depletion have nothing to do with each other. 3. Excessive buildup of carbon dioxide causes both global warming and ozone depletion. 4. Ozone depletion contributes to global warming. 5. Ozone depletion and global warming are synonymous. The answer is 3. Excessive buildup of carbon dioxide causes both global warming and ozone depletion. Number 9, this heavy metal is emitted by gasoline-fueled vehicles and is a potentially poisonous substance that is particularly harmful to children. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, inhalation of this substance can severely affect a child's behavior and decrease intelligence quotient among children with high levels of concentration in the blood and bone marrow. This metal is 1. Cadmium. 2. Mercury. 3. Lead. 4. Iron. 5. Silver. The answer is 3. Lead. Number 10, the most dangerous effect of deforestation is 1. Soil erosion. 2. Eutrophication. 3. Sedimentation. 4. Acidification. 5. Siltation. The answer is 1. Soil erosion. Number 11. Which of the following pollution management program implemented by the DENR includes disclosure of industries polluting the environment? 1. Bante Dagat. 2. Bante Kalakasan. 3. Ecological Watch. 4. Bante Ilog Program. 5. Solid Waste Management Program. The answer is 5. Solid Waste Management Program. Number 12. Farmers migrate to the uplands primarily because of 1. Insecurity of tenure in the lowland. 2. Pollution in the urban areas. 3. The cooler climates. 4. The more fertile soils in the forest area. 5. The greater amount of resources in the forest. The answer is 5. The greater amount of resources in the forest. We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.